Hey guys, welcome back to another Arduino beginners project. Today's project is about Morse code. We're going to be using Arduino and few other components to visualize and make Morse code. So stay tuned because everything is happening right here in Pelox Industry. So in this video, we're going to need few components. We're going to need a breadboard, the Arduino Uno. We're also going to need the buzzer, some jumper wires, one LED, and finally a push button. So for the setup, this is the setup we're going to be using for this project. So just take your time and observe this setup, then you can use to make your own. So this is my setup. As you can see, it's exactly like the one you previously just saw. So I'm going to be plugging in my Arduino to the system, and I'm going to be uploading the code, man. So this is the code we're going to use to run this project. If you love typing, you can type this code manually, but if you don't love typing, you can check the description of this video and you're going to see the full code. Then you can copy and paste it down to your system. So after you must have uploaded the code, once you press the push button, you should now see that the LED is going to flash and the buzzer is going to make a sound. And then you can now check your serial monitor for the Morse code. As you can see, you're going to see dash and dots. So that's it for this video. If you have any question under this video, you can put it down in the comment section of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. And also, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn your notification bell so you won't miss my next exclusive project. You can also check out my other Arduino's beginners project on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.